One small credit card mistake can drop your credit score by dozens of points. And most people don't even realize they're doing it. Today, I'm showing you 5 credit card mistakes that quietly ruin your credit score, and how to avoid them. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If you're using a credit card, or planning to get one, this video can save your credit score. Let's break down the biggest mistakes beginners make. Mistake 1. Missing a payment. This is the biggest one. Payment history matters more than anything else. Even one late payment can hurt your score for months. And yes, even being a few days late counts. Fix it. Set up autopay for the full balance. Stick around, the next mistake surprises a lot of people. Mistake 2. Using too much of your credit limit. Just because you can spend it doesn't mean you should. Using too much of your limit hurts your score. A good rule: stay under 30%. If your limit is $500, try to keep spending under $150. Lower is even better. Mistake 3. Only paying the minimum. Minimum payments feel safe, but they're a trap. Interest keeps growing, and balances stick around. High balances hurt your credit score over time. Fix it. Pay the full balance every month whenever possible. Mistake 4. Applying for too many cards at once. Every application creates a credit check. Too many checks too fast can lower your score. It also makes lenders nervous. Fix it. Apply slowly and only when needed. One good card is enough to start. Stick around, this last mistake is sneaky. Mistake 5. Closing your oldest credit card. Your credit history length matters. Closing your oldest card shortens your credit age. That can hurt your score, even if you paid it off. Fix it. Keep old cards open with no annual fee. Just use them once in a while. Bonus tip: ignoring your credit report. Errors happen more than you think. Wrong balances. Late payments you didn't miss. Check your credit report regularly. Catching mistakes early can save your score. Credit cards aren't dangerous, bad habits are. Avoid these mistakes, and your credit score will thank you. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, How to Fix Your Credit Score Beginner Plan.